All right, we're getting there. We had to clean out, got the carbon clean out here. This is a pain in the neck for sure. Got to scrub it with non-abrasive materials such as, this plastic brush and some non-abrasive Scotch-Brites here. And of course, your plastic razor blades. But yeah, I also made up the way you got to do to get the carbon off. You got to make up some, this works better than WD-40 or any other penetrating oil. This is 50-50 ATF type F and, what do you call it? Acetone. Yeah, acetone, 50-50 acetone ATF. That's what this is. It works great. It actually worked better than WD-40 to get this, get these piston tops clean, but I got some more work to do. I'm going to keep at it. I do use WD-40 to kind of keep it, keep the rust from developing. But I'm also trying to clean these galleyways here. Let me put the flashlight down in there. These are nasty. That's been a lot of scrubbing involved. I've got this whole weekend involved scrubbing here, all this stuff down. But it's a wash down of WD-40 with a toothbrush and then some brake clean, absorb it out, and we'll keep doing it until it's really nice and clean in here. Got a lot of work to do before I pop those heads on. Yep, this is about a weekend's worth of cleaning. It gets hot out here. That's it for now.